Welcome to Braids. It's my first YouTube video. It's a story of my experiment. Unfortunately, I started on tape and scramble, but I think it's I believe it's 2001 Bratz. I uploaded my first YouTube video, not including the channel's trailer, on the 30th of January 2018. It was filmed at my desk using an iPhone. The lighting was pretty abysmal, but I am relatively impressed as well as surprised by how well it has performed on YouTube. The human hair reroute was a success, but it also left my Bratz doll's head slightly damaged. I attempted to repair it, but I wasn't too fond of the result. Due to this, I abandoned her. I almost forgot she existed. Stuck in a creative rut, I decided to revisit my old videos. She's a beautiful doll that deserves a second chance, a much needed makeover. I hope you enjoy watching the process. Like the human hair reroute, this one was tedious but fun. Please share and like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support is appreciated.